Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and it's been a while since you've seen us. Life's been a little hectic lately, been working out of town quite a bit, and I'm heading out of town again tomorrow. But it's all good because our vacation is coming up quick. From when you're watching this on the release date, we are 3 weeks away from walking into Disney World. And we're excited for it. And keep an eye out, we're going to start doing some lives from there, and we're very excited for doing that. About doing that. We're very excited. So, what are we doing today? Let's check it out. It's new. It's Tokyo Kawaii Club. We've never done this before. This came all the way from Japan, and it looks like it was on some sort of rough ride on the way here. Maybe on a rowboat across the ocean, and then horse and buggy the rest of the way to Nevada. I'm nervous about this one because it's in a bag, not a box, and I guess we're going to find out together if everything's okay in here. That's coming up right now. Alright, ready? We ordered this quite a while ago, and to be honest, I don't remember how much it was. But, you know, it was a long time ago, and maybe it'll tell me. What the? Okay. Oh, wait. Huh? There's definitely no confetti in here. Okay. So the first thing, oh, it's cuter than I thought. I just read the top of the bag. It is 12 makeup sponges, but they're Mickey heads and Mickey hands. I can definitely use these. I've got some lives coming up, and I'll need to doll myself up a little bit. Let's pop a couple. You know what? We'll just pop these right into the photo box so you can see. Boop. 12 pieces, two-way, and the rest of it, I can't read. They're cute, though. I'm sure. I don't know if Mary uses makeup sponges. Do you use Mary? No. Okay. Alright. I really wish I remembered how much this box was. Yeah, it wasn't much. I think it was 40 or 50 bucks, something like that. And again, it's coming all the way from Tokyo, so it took a while. Oh, it's Pooh and Piglet, a little coin purse with a star zipper pull. Mini pouch. It's from the Disney store, and they tore off the price tag, so I don't know how much it was. But it's cute. It's a little beat up, but that's probably from its route to get here. It's a little kind of creased. I'll put it in the photo box so you can get a better look at it. Boop. Not sure what we'll do with that, but you'll probably see it behind us or something. It's alright. Alright. Oh, things are looking up. So in theory, this is pretty cute. I don't really know what it is. I mean, it says Tokyo Disneyland on the back, and it opens for some reason. It's like for one piece of popcorn. But the problem is, Mickey can't smell anything because his nose is gone. It's just a hole. But never fear, the nose is here. So, again, I think it might be a boo-boo from shipping. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh, oh! Oh, it's good. His nose is back. So yes, I think it's a popcorn bucket for a single kernel of popcorn.
think maybe it's a miniature of popcorn buckets? Do you think they might have a popcorn bucket like that in the park?
Yeah, they might. Yeah, maybe it's just a miniature version.
Keychains that they had, and they had little tiny needles on it with the popcorn.
Yeah, it's cute. I mean, it's a dune buggy, and it doesn't look like it glows. I mean, the ghost looks like he kind of glows, but maybe if I hold him up to light longer. All right. Just glad he's got his nose back. I don't know what that says. It's a pin. There's no sticker or anything on it. And it is Maleficent. E-B-A-D-I-N. I don't know where you start reading it from because it's a bunch of letters in a circle. Anybody got a clue on what that is? All right. Well, there's a note. Nuts about my twin. So it's got Chip and Dale on it. It says, "Thanks so much for supporting my business. Use the discount code for 10% off your next order." And then there's a little business card. Alright. What's this? Is this one of those? Is it a bag? I mean, it's cute. I don't know why people would want a bag, though. I mean, maybe I'm in the... Yeah, I mean, I guess you can take it grocery shopping, but, like, you're not going to get a whole lot in there, and if you're like a... I don't know, man. I mean, it's cute, and at least it doesn't smell like a raft like some of the other ones we've gotten from other places. I mean, it is definitely from Disney, but it's not something I would pick out. Design paper. And they tore off the price tag again. I don't know. So it's just like origami paper, I guess. So I don't love it. I don't hate it. At least it's stuff from the parks. It's just not stuff I would pick. Yeah. I don't think I'll order another one. I mean, I'm not like gonna complain about it and ask for my money back, but I just know not to. It's probably not our style, which is a bummer because the other one that we ordered from Hong Kong, what's it called? Magical Pick-Me-Up. I really like that box. So if I'm gonna get stuff from the parks on the other side of the pond, I guess I'm gonna stick with that one because that one was really good and had some really cool merch in it that was definitely from the parks. And I think it's odd that they take the price tags off. Like, I feel like they're hiding maybe a sale price or something, which honestly, I know they have to make money. I don't care about that, but I don't know. It's not my thing, I guess. So, you know, now we know. We've been trying to, we've wanted to order one of these for quite a while, and we thought thought the other one had ordered it, and so we were waiting for a long time, and we're like, well, where is it? And we contacted them, and they're like, you never made an order. So we're like, oh, okay. So then we ordered it, and it came within a couple months of ordering it. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, not loving it. Anyway, on a higher note, please remember, we are going to be in Disney. Not only are we going to get footage for ride videos and all kinds of stuff to do after the fact, but we will be trying to do 1 or 2 live videos per day, probably one during the day in the park and one in the evening to recap our day and just hang out and chat. So I hope to see you there. And that's about it. Can't win them all, right? Alright, if you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.